So here's how to fix Valorant VAN-81 connection error message. So first what you want to do is right click on the taskbar and open Task Manager. In here you want to make sure Valorant is closed. So you want to search for Valorant in here and then right click and task for any processes you find running. Also for Riot client or anything related to Riot, you can right click and shut it down. Now you want to go to services and then open services, and in here you want to look for VGC service. The service name is VGC, all lowercase. Now if you find it, you want to double click on it, for example this service here, and then for the startup type you want to set it to automatic, and then if the service status is set to or is stopped, you want to click on start button to start the service. Then you want to click on apply and OK. Next you want to close this and then right click Windows logo and go to run again, and in here we want to type mscconfig and then press OK or enter, and this window should show up. Now you want to go to the services tab and then scroll all the way down till you find VGC in this list, the same service that we checked before. Now make sure the checkbox or the tick box next to it is checked and the status is running. Now you can click on apply and OK, and it will prompt you to reboot your PC. Now if you try to launch the game to check it, if you still have the issue, what you can do is open the command line again by right clicking Windows logo and open command line or terminal for Windows 11 as admin, or CMD for Windows 10, which is the same. And now you want to run the following commands: sc space delete space VGC, press enter, and then sc space delete space VGK, press enter. Now you can close this, and then what you want to do is check the firewall settings by opening the Windows menu and then settings, and in here you want to search for firewall and click on Windows Defender Firewall. Now click allow an app or feature through Windows Defender and click on change settings. In here you want to look for Valorant. If you see Valorant in here, make sure the checkbox next to it is checked and private and public is also checked, and the same for Riot client. You want to also make sure it's in this list and the checkboxes next to it are checked. Now if you don't see them in here, you can click on allow another app and then browse, and then navigate to your install path or install directory, which is usually in the C drive Riot Games for the Riot client and Valorant. Now you can press open to add it to this list and then click on add to add it in here. Then you want to press OK and then close this. Next you want to go to your file explorer and then go to the C drive where Windows is installed, program files 86. Look for Riot Vanguard in here. If you see a Riot Vanguard folder, right click on it and click delete. Now if you don't see it in this folder, you can go to the other program files folder and look for it and delete the folder if you find it in here. Next you want to run right click on Riot client and then run it as admin. So once the Riot client is running again, you will be prompted to install Vanguard again in your PC. So you can click on play or update button in here to install Vanguard again. What you can do as well is click on the account logo in here and then go to settings and then select your game from here, such as Valorant or League, and then you can click on the repair button. Next, once the repair process is complete, you will be prompted to reboot your PC after Vanguard is reinstalled again. And once you reboot your PC, that should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.